Hey guys, welcome to my how-to channel. My name is Irfan and I'm a mechanical engineer who likes to try out different do-it-yourself projects. It would be pretty cool to cut these bottles using a fire, right? Well, today we're gonna do just that. I'm gonna show you two amazing ways to cut these bottles using a little bit of copper wire and some shoestring. Let's get into it. Now you probably must be wondering how does this work, but it's actually pretty simple. Take this copper wire and tighten it around the bottle. Tighten it up with pliers to make one strong and fixed connection. If you didn't know, copper has the highest thermal conductivity of any engineering metal. This means that the heat from the fire will go straight through this copper wire and it will concentrate itself right here on the connection point between copper wire and the glass itself. Try to have this wire as straight as possible, because this way you will get one straight cut. Now you need to heat up this copper to a certain temperature. In my case, it is enough to heat it up for 1 to 2 minutes. Rotate it around to make sure everything is heated up evenly. And once everything is heated up enough to cut this bottle, you just need to put it up in a cold icy water. Nice. Perfect. Take off this wire, it still can be a little bit hot. Now be careful while taking off this wire because you can break glass right here, just like I did. As you can see right here where we had our copper wire, now we have our cut line. Now this cut is not perfect, but you can sand it off using a sanding paper. Now if you don't have a copper wire like this, you can always use a shoestring or any other type of string you can find. Now the same procedure applies just like before. Just put it around the bottle and tighten it up pretty good. Again, make sure that this string is very straight. One very cool thing right here is to use this acetone or nail polish remover if you have one, and soak this shoestring right into this acetone. Using this acetone, your shoestring will burn easier. Now, because we will put everything on a fire, we will get the same effect as with copper wire. The heat will transfer itself from this shoestring right onto one line on this glass. Now let's do everything right here over this sink because I don't want to burn down my kitchen. Now let's just fire up this shoestring. It will probably take some time, but as you can see, it's starting to burn. Now again, we need to heat up this bottle for around 1 to 2 minutes, and then we will soak everything in a cold water. Alright, I think 2 minutes is just enough. Just put this bottle right here and let's see what happens here. You have to wiggle it around a little bit and it's cutted. This cut line is even better than the one before. Now you need to be very careful while doing these experiments because this fire can be a little bit tricky. But as you can see, that is one excellent way to get almost perfect cut line. Pretty cool, right? If you want to use this part as a glass, you just need to sand off this edge right here. Just take sanding paper, whatever you got, and rub it a little bit until you get one smooth edge. If you like experiments, then make sure to try out these two ways to cut bottles using fire. And if you like to cut glass without any glass cutter, then make sure to check out this video right here. There you can see how to cut glass using a spark plug, soldering iron, and believe it or not, a drill bit. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have found some value in it. If you did, please hit that like button and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!